Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. Jasmine here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, the third box for the month of December. This one is the Luxe box, Boxyluxe, and this is the winter theme. It is so glam. Look at this, it's so glam, like such a cute chandelier, right? So today we're going to be opening this box. I have not finished my makeup because I already seen the products and I want to try them on camera so I could finish my makeup. The eye tutorial, I'm gonna do it really quick at the end of this video, or maybe when I mention the palettes that I received. But it does look like I finished my makeup, but no, I have to try them on here. And this is a box that you get every season, so that means 4 times in a year. So this is the winter one, and this one that I received, the variation I received, retails for $313. So let's go ahead and get started so I could start with applying some of the makeup that I already need. So guys, here is the box. It's pretty big. Hello charmers, I think you're already seeing something there. You got to peek. Oh my gosh, it's covering the camera. So there's a few items here I want to try, but this one looks so glam. Look guys, it looks so pretty. So look at this detail here. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Italian Summer Face Palette. It's a face palette. This product here, this one, oh, this one is expensive. This one retails for $58. This is a trio palette, and this one is a face palette. The one that I got, it says Italian Summer. Oh my god, this is giving me very glam, very festive, perfect for the holidays. And if this is not something for you, I think this will make a great gift if you got this in your box. So look at the tones here. I don't have any bronzer on, so I'm going to apply that, or highlighter, but I'm not going to apply the blush. It is so pretty. Look at the details here. I am very impressed with this face palette. So let's go ahead and grab some of, ooh, that might be a little too heavy for me, so let's just go lightly. Whoa guys, look at that. You know how sometimes you switch it up and you like a certain bronzer just in its little compact device that is single on its own, or maybe a palette that you could just mix it up and warm it up depending on your skin tone for that time, because in the summer it's different than in the winter. But lately I'm liking a palette that has all 3 products in one. I feel like it makes it so much easier, but sometimes I have to mix and match because some of the ones in there I don't like or doesn't go well. But this one I'm excited because it has all 3 in one, and I have to see how well they blend together, how well they look. But lately I've been using that Midi palette from Ofra Cosmetics. It's just contour, but I'm liking that it has a highlighter in there. Now this one might be a keeper because it has a blush as well. I do like how it looks like. It feels, ooh, it does feel really different. It's like a soft powdery, not like other powders that feels almost like a translucent powder. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. This one feels really nice and soft. It truly is buttery. It's like I just want to keep applying it more and more. It's so nice, so pretty. So the next item I'm going to try, it's in the box, and that's why I'm not trying everything from the palette. The next item I have is called Euphoria. This technology, this weird magic thing going is very crazy. This technology, I've seen the pictures, and you will see that this is the blush is green, and because the tone, like the pink blush, normal tones that you see for blush, is in the opposite color of the color wheel, which is the green one. So this one, supposedly once you put it in your skin, in your face, it should just gives you the nice perfect blush for you. So this is Euphoria BYO blush. This one retails for $36. The secret of everyday no makeup. So it could just look like you look so nice and blush. So it's makeup, no makeup, so you could just put it on your bare skin, or you could just put it on top of your makeup. A universally flattering blush that reacts to your skin natural pH to instantly give you the perfect shade of natural blush. So let's go ahead and try this out. Look how cute this is. It doesn't have a scent. Whoa, could you see that? Look at that pink. Look how cute that is. Ooh, should I use my fingers? Whoa. Wow. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm impressed, you guys. I hope everybody gets this. I don't know, this is really, really good. So guys, trying out this lipstick was interesting. I'm like, oh, I'm a little scared because it's so bright, it could get a little messy. But look at this, is glam too. This packaging, that's why I wore red. I'm like, I saw that color. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's really bright. I usually don't wear red. And I'm like, let me just glam it up for the holidays and let me just wear something with red too. But how pretty this lipstick is. It wasn't as messy, it wasn't as scary as I thought it was gonna be. Feels really nice, really, really, really nice, you guys. And it's Fenty Beauty, of course. So this one retails for $26, and this one is called Stunner Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color. I like that they have a little soft matte finish there. This is pretty brave, the color that they gave us, but I think I'm pretty sure they said, you know what, let's go for it. It's festive time, it's the holidays, and I'm glad I got this in the box. And like I mentioned, you guys, this one retails for $26. I'm not sure if I mentioned how much the Euphoria retails. This one retails for $36. And I'm impressed with this blush, you guys. I like this. I wish it was a little bigger because I'm like, I could wear this every day for sure. And I'm also impressed with the palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So let's go ahead and finish this makeup with another product we have here. It's called Dear Midnight Set to Last Setting Spray. This is the packaging. This must be a new product because when I was trying to share the product to see what it was, I couldn't find it in their website. So yeah, it says new launch Set to Last Setting Spray. It's a lightweight, alcohol free. So I tried it. I feel like the scent, it is more midnight scent. It's not like soft and refreshing. No, this is like for the night. Little bit of scent there. It feels really nice. I hope that it lasts and it doesn't make my skin or my makeup look very dewy. I like that it's very fine when you apply it. It is a new launch and that one retails for $30, and I appreciate that it's alcohol free. The next item I want to talk about, which is something that I did earlier. So we got this palette from Mali Beauty. This one is called This one is called Best Dress Lit Neutrals and Bold. So there's 14 matte and shimmer tones here. So there's an eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $45. When I was applying and creating my eye makeup look, I didn't know what to think of the palette. I'm like, you know, this is not that fun of a palette. But then I remember that when I have searched other palettes that she has a collab with David's Bridal where they have a palette just created for special occasions. So you could use that palette. It blends really nice and it has the nice tones of shimmers and mattes for that special day. You don't want to make it too heavy, too crazy, and sometimes it's usually in the hot season that it blends really well and it stays true to those colors. Even though this is not the collab palette, but when I was applying it, I feel like, you know what, if you want to get a little bit more creative, more intense with your shades, this will be another great palette for those special occasions. And I feel like because this is a festive theme, this will go great with that theme as well. This shade here that I tried, I thought it was really quickly when I saw it, it didn't seem shimmer at all. I thought it was a matte, but when I applied it to blend it in the corner, it felt like it does have a little shimmer to it. But besides that, I really like the colors. I feel like this will be a great everyday. It's not such an intense shimmer. The tones here, and it's wearable for you to for everyday wear. And like I mentioned, guys, that one retails for $45. This product last night, I wanted to give it a try, and I was happy to see this in the box. I actually was surprised to see this brand again. This one is Keys Soul Care. So you have received this in the past, and even though I have sensitive skin, it has worked great. So I'm happy to see it again. This one is Harmony Mask. It's a purifying and hydrating charcoal face mask. It's scented with sandalwood and it's formulated with manuka honey and gold foil. So I tried it last night and I do like the scent. I really appreciate charcoal, and right away I thought I like the smell of sandalwood really too. It's very relaxing. So you're gonna see a picture, and once I saw myself, I'm like, you know what came to mind? Mary Poppins. That's what I felt like I look like. But I like the smell. You can really apply it and kind of relax, you know, really relax and enjoy the mask. I appreciate that. When I thought of charcoal, I thought it was gonna have beads. I thought it was gonna be rough, but I appreciate that this mask was very creamy, very soft. You could apply this mask for 10 to 20 minutes. I applied it for 15. I didn't want to go heavily. I always have to try a little bit because of my sensitive skin. I have gotten very bad reaction that my whole face stays really red, very inflamed, and it's not fun. It takes a long time for me to heal my skin, so I always have to go a little light on that, and it felt nice. I could remove it, and it felt like once you removed it, it felt like you still have maybe some type of moisturizer on. The other product that I have tried as well, I tried it twice, last night and this morning, and I am enjoying it. I felt like I needed one for the nighttime. I have a serum, the hyaluronic acid serum for the morning, and I need one for the nighttime, and I think this will be perfect. So this is from Herbivore Botanicals Cloud Jelly Serum. This one retails for $48. I have not tried this brand, so I'm excited to try it. This one comes with different ingredients here. This is going to do is make your skin feel hydrated and plump, and I'm shocked that when I put it, it's like my skin just sucks it up really quickly. I was like, whoa, it's like, was I that dehydrated? So it's really nice. I love the packaging, and I don't even know if it has a scent, but it goes in really nice. It's really light, really refreshing. So yes guys, I'm excited for this, and that's something I'm going to be including in my nighttime routine. Look how cute is the box. Look at that. Look at the mushroom, how cute, and then the strawberries. This is so cute. And just to continue pampering yourself during this holiday that we could be very stressed and so much to do, it's always good to relax, and this will be perfect for a weekend after the holidays, or maybe before the holidays if you need it, or before New Year's. This will be perfect. This is Juice of the God. This one is a new launch, and this is for the weekend mask. So this one's called the Weekend Glow Challenge. This one retails, guys, for $40, and this one is formulated with two rich, luxurious, and purposeful lace spun sheet mask. It's designed to restore your skin's bounce, moisture barrier, and youthful glow from the week you just lived. Mask, I'm just a little shocked that, guys, that this retails for $40 when it only brings two sheet mask right here. So here's a challenge. I'm glad that it came in the box, because I don't think I would have paid that price at all for two masks, but it's a great way to prepare and relax and pamper your skin and get it ready for the following week. So yeah guys, this is my box already. I'm happy with the box. I'm impressed. I feel like this box has some very glam items. This one blew me away. This one, oh my gosh, I wish there was two a little bigger, to be honest. I am liking the lipstick from Fenty Beauty. Ooh, this one is going in my nighttime routine. This palette, I have to try a little bit more. I feel like we have received other palettes this month that I'm going and using more and more. This, I don't know if I'm going to use again, to be honest. But everything else, I am very happy and impressed with my box. Like I said, this box retails for $313. So I think I do like my box. So thank you guys for watching this video, for you spending some of your time with me, and until the next video. Bye.